Excipient World is the only U.S. event focused on the business, science, quality, and safe use for excipients. Attendees come from pharmaceutical, biologic, veterinary medicine, and consumer healthcare products manufacturers to learn about excipient and the latest trends and technology advancements as they relate to formulation, supply chain, regulation, and compliance.
Conference program includes all of the latest activities that are going on in the excipient space for the pharmaceutical industry. And so for me, I'm able to get all of the latest information on hot topics in the industry, and I can take that back to my regular job and back to the company that I work for.
Attendees can learn about the latest excipient solutions, discuss supply chain needs, and source new services and products in the exhibit hall from leading excipient manufacturers, distributors, and service providers.
I think the conference program this year has been fantastic. There has been really a great mix of quality topics and regulatory topics, as well as some really interesting technical talks that talk about things like continuous manufacturing, where industry is headed to. There's been an awful lot here that I know I'm going to be taking back to not just my quality folks, but to our R&D department to share and to build some of those relationships with a lot of the suppliers that we see exhibited here.
Mark your calendar to attend Excipient World 2020, May 11 through 13 at the Gaylord National Resort and Convention Center in Orlando, Florida.